Hey, you gotta get the first one out of the way.
Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video sums up my experience riding down the green trails at Spider Mountain Bike Park in Burnet, Texas. It is also my first time test driving my new bike on trails, which I should have practiced with before hitting Spider Mountain, because I'm not used to the wide bars, as you will see throughout the videos. The bike I used to have was a hand-me-down from my uncle, which he fixed up himself and sold it to me for pennies. As you can see on these past videos, it was a 2010 GT Outpost bike, which the handlebars weren't as wide compared to my new giant Phantom 1. By the way, shout out to my close friend Osbi for recommending me to get this new bike and giving me pointers throughout the whole experience in Spider Mountain. Alright, now on to my first try at the green trails, Itsy Bitsy. Hope y'all enjoy this fiasco that is about to happen.
Ooh. Oh shit. Woo. I f***ing fell.
You fucking you already.
Let's not do the same thing we did last time. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, ah, damn, that was close. All right. Whew.
As you can see, I already fell twice on the green trails. Twice on the green trails, can you believe that? Which that brought my confidence down because it's the easiest trail in the park. I thought I was prepared for it, but looking at this, I wasn't. Moving on to my second try on the green trail, Itsy Bitsy, which I'm still breaking into my new bike. Hope that y'all enjoyed the second clip that's about to happen.
What? There you go. Lean to it. Okay. Yep. Yep. Yep, this is it. There we go. Yeah, I went straight right there. Oh, that was a small one. They're behind me. It was right here. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, oh shit. Oh, fuck. Woo. Yeah, I'm good. Okay.
Man, oh man, after falling the third time, in my head, I was low-key scared of falling again because the first time I fell, I almost went down the hill, but I was lucky enough to land on a tree. The second time I fell, I wasn't as scared, but at the same time I was, if you catch my drift. Then the third time I fell, which you just saw, I busted my ass really hard. I didn't want to continue, but I didn't want the fun to end. So what I did is taking extra precaution and taking it slow and steady, little by little, step by step. After the second try on the green trails, I went to the blue trails, and surprisingly I didn't fall in any of the blue trails, which boosted my confidence a bit. A side note, I will make another video of me riding the blue trails at Spider Mountain in the future. After riding all the blue trails, I wanted to conquer Itsy Bitsy on my third try. I saw improvement and brought my confidence up, which I will roll the clip right now. Passing the spot that I had busted my ass, the nervousness and fear began to fade away. I know I am new to mountain biking and I'm still learning how to shred through the trails. Starting off something new in your life can be hard at first, but with a little bit of practice and patience, you start to get better, little by little, step by step. Knowing that this is a beginner's trail, and I didn't care as much because I wanted to conquer it because it has left me scars. Literally got a couple scratches on my arms and legs. Looking back to it, I knew taking a hardtail bike to Spider Mountain wasn't going to perform as well as this full suspension, but I made the most fun out of it. At the end of the day, I had a fun time, which I wanted to give thanks to my friend Osbi for being supportive and motivating me to keep on going, as well as to giving me pointers throughout the whole experience at Spider Mountain. It was a great first experience shredding through Spider Mountain and getting a chance to test drive my new bike. I hope y'all enjoyed the video of my fiascos and as well the small accomplishments. Please give it a like and click that subscribe button. Also drop down a comment about your first time experience at Spider Mountain. I would love to read y'all's first time experience at Spider Mountain